In today's video, I'm going to show you how to restore the default settings on Microsoft Edge quickly and easily. This is a really useful fix if your browser feels slow, starts acting strange, or you just want to undo changes and return Edge back to its original settings. Resetting Edge can help clear out issues with extensions, startup behavior, search settings, and other browser customizations without you having to reinstall anything. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner and click the three dots menu. This is the main menu where you can access all of Edge's settings and tools. From there, click on Settings. This will open the full Edge settings page. On the left-hand sidebar, you'll see several categories, and the one you want is Reset Settings. Click that option to open the Reset menu. Inside this section, you'll see an option called Restore Settings to their default values. This is the feature that brings Edge back to its original default configuration. Click on Restore Settings to their default values, and Edge will show you a confirmation window explaining what will be reset. Read through it carefully so you know what changes will happen. When you're ready, click Reset to confirm. After that, Microsoft Edge will begin restoring the default settings, and the browser will return to a cleaner, fresh state. Once it's finished, you can continue browsing with the default setup restored. So that's how to restore default settings on Edge in just a few clicks. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more easy step-by-step tutorials.